Imagine waking up to the reality that we, humans, might not be from Earth. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But what if it's not? What if the story of our origin is fundamentally different from what we've been taught? This extraordinary theory suggests just that, proposing that humans may not be native to this blue planet. This concept isn't a whimsical idea born out of a science fiction novel, it's a theory rooted in scientific evaluation, a hypothesis that has been meticulously examined and documented. One of the key sources of this thought-provoking idea is the book, Humans Are Not From Earth, a scientific evaluation of the evidence. This work delves deep into the possibility that we, as a species, might hail from some distant corner of the cosmos. If you're intrigued already, hold tight. This journey is about to get even more fascinating. Evidence supporting this theory isn't something you stumble upon every day. So what makes scientists think we might be extraterrestrial? Well, for starters, let's consider our relationship with the sun. It's no secret that humans have a tricky relationship with our solar system's star. Unlike many species on Earth that bask in its glow, we humans have a susceptibility to sunburn, a potentially harmful condition that could lead to serious health complications like skin cancer. This might suggest that our ancestors evolved under a different sun, or maybe even multiple stars. Then there's the issue of chronic diseases. Astoundingly, humans seem to be plagued by a host of chronic ailments that don't appear as frequently in other species. From heart disease to arthritis, these conditions seem oddly common in us. Could this be a sign that our bodies are not fully adapted to Earth's environment? And let's not forget about the human babies. Compared to other species, human infants have an incredibly difficult time. They're completely helpless at birth and require years of care before they can fend for themselves. In stark contrast, many animal offspring hit the ground running, or at least waddling, within hours of birth. This disparity could indicate that humans are not native to this planet, and that we've had to adapt our reproductive strategies accordingly. Moreover, our bodies exhibit some strange quirks that seem out of place on Earth. For example, many of us suffer from back pain, a condition that might suggest our ancestors evolved in a low-gravity environment. And then there's the fact that we are surprisingly well suited to a life in water, with capabilities like conscious breath control and an innate ability to swim, traits not shared by most terrestrial mammals. These might be simple observations, but they raise complex questions about our true origins. Are we, as the evidence might suggest, not of this Earth? Or are these just quirks of evolution, the result of our unique journey through time and space? As we dive deeper into this theory, we'll explore more about our potential cosmic connection and the big question, where do we really come from? If we are not from Earth, then where could we possibly come from? This question leads us into a realm of fascinating scientific theories that suggest our origins might not be as terrestrial as we've always thought. One such theory that leaves room for our extraterrestrial lineage is panspermia. Panspermia, a Greek term meaning seeds everywhere, proposes that life exists throughout the universe and is spread by meteoroids, asteroids, comets, and planetoids, which act like cosmic delivery trucks. It's a concept that has been around since the 5th century BC when the Greek philosopher Anaxagoras first proposed it. You can imagine these celestial bodies hurtling through space, carrying the seeds of life which could have found a hospitable environment here on Earth billions of years ago. But let's think bigger, even beyond our solar system. What about the possibility of cosmic seeding? This concept pushes the boundaries of our imagination further, suggesting that life could have been intentionally spread by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. A civilization that could have mastered interstellar travel and discovered a young, fertile Earth, ripe for the sowing of life. The idea might feel like a leap out of a science fiction novel, but it's a theory taken seriously by some in the scientific community. Now, it's important to note that these theories don't suggest that fully formed humans arrived on Earth from another planet. Rather, the building blocks of life, simple organisms or even the necessary biochemical elements, may have found their way here, and over billions of years evolved into the myriad of life forms we see today, including us. We are yet to find definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, let alone evidence that our origins lie beyond our home planet. But the search continues, fueled by our insatiable curiosity and the ever-growing capabilities of our space exploration technologies. The universe is vast and mysterious, and it seems it might hold the keys to our true heritage. So, if we are not from Earth, what does it mean for us as a species? This question, as fantastical as it may sound, could have profound implications for our understanding of ourselves. If we consider the possibility that we are, in fact, not native to this planet, it shifts our perspective on our place in the universe. We are no longer just inhabitants of Earth but potential citizens of a cosmos teeming with life. Our understanding of evolution could also be significantly impacted. Instead of being the product of Earth's unique conditions, we might be the result of a cosmic process that spans galaxies, even universes. This could mean that life, in its myriad forms, is not an exception, but a rule across the cosmos. And what about our relationship with Earth? If we're not originally from here, does it change our responsibility towards this planet? Not at all. Whether we were born of Earth or adopted by it, our duty to preserve and protect our home remains the same. But perhaps most importantly, this theory fuels our curiosity. It feeds our insatiable hunger for knowledge, pushing us to explore further, to question deeper, and to continually redefine our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Whether we are from Earth or not, we are undeniably a species with a relentless thirst for knowledge and understanding. So, are we really not from Earth? As we've seen, the idea is intriguing. We've examined extraordinary claims, uncomfortable evidence, and potential cosmic connections. Yet we must remember that this is still a theory. A fascinating theory indeed, but it's in the realm of possibilities, not certainties. In the relentless pursuit of truth, science never ceases to explore our origins, our identity, and our place in the universe. Whether we hail from this blue planet or a distant galaxy, our quest for knowledge and understanding continues. After all, we are all made of stardust.